and the rope. Early lead is taken by Distinctive Dancer, and Balinganda moving up on the outside. Is Balinganda in the lead, followed by Distinctive Dancer, and Silver Glides moving up on the outside. Extreme Connection running in fourth, and Night Star rounding the far turn. Balinganda by 3.5 lengths, followed by Silver Glides in second, and Distinctive Dancer running in third by 3.5 lengths. Extreme Connection and Night Star are the last bend for home. It is still Balinganda in the lead, followed by Silver Glides on the outside in second. Extreme Connection moving up on the inside. Night Star and Distinctive Dancer. And into the home stretch and nearing the playoff line is still Balinganda in the lead, followed by Silver Glides on the outside. It's Silver Glides on the outside. Balinganda by the rail. Balinganda and Silver Glides fighting it out for the lead. It's Silver Glides on the outside, and finally Silver Glides, Balinganda, Extreme Connection, Distinctive Dancer, and Night Star.